Let's see the quick demo of Google Antigravity, where I just built this modern Blazor assembly app along with the database. So here's my database, and also once I complete this build and integrate database, I just deployed this app in my Firebase hosting. So that complete things actually we have done using this Google Antigravity without writing any of one line of code. Okay, so that we will build over here. So now first we have to look like how the building this app. So this is our one app, Blazor WebAssembly, and here is my dashboard. And in this dashboard now I have three room available, like two room available and one room is booked. So there are many feature actually. I just built this application using that. So first let me check like how manage the room. So simply I can just add a room. So I can just add new room over here and just price something for per night. And once I save, so I am able to see the new room got created over here, right? So yeah, now whatever room price over here over there, so if I want to book, so I can book, but before that I can ensure it is properly saved in our database or not. So see, there's a database, it is properly saved. And then if I just book now, so if I just book, so I can just set whatever book person. So simply I can just mention someone and also mention the duration, how many days they want to stay over here. So just confirm the booking, and once you booking, now see this room is got booked along with the checkout functionality. And then also it is display like how many days is left for allow to another booking for this room. So these are complete feature actually we just built using this Google Antigravity without writing any code and all. So yeah, that we trying to build over here. And yeah, once you build and integrate the database, and we will deploy as well using this Google Antigravity. So now moving to start implementation. So before I start implementation, I'm especially recommend if you visit my first time my channel, so .NET real world example, and in here actually I just build a couple of more session for this Google Antigravity. So here my first session where I just build this React app along with the Firebase database and then hosting this app. So that is completely done using this Google Antigravity agentic development platform. And next session also I just build over here this uh, Angular app. So in this I just build an Angular app, then integrate the database, Firebase database, and then hosting in the Firebase hosting without writing any code and all. And yeah, if you want to learn many things over here, so you can learn it like agent, how we can create an agent in your app or build an agent, and front end back end as a full stack developer, also game development and all. So you can learn many more things over here. So now without further ado, let's moving to start implementations. So let's open Antigravity, create a folder. So go to that particular location, and I'm just creating over here, not here actually. So go to that particular folder here, that is right place. So I just want to create a room rent, like using a Blazor, right? So let me see how they are creating a Blazor application using that Google Antigravity. So yes, author, and finally we are ready to implement over here, right? So as we are using this test first mode, so if you want you can use that planning first, then you start for creating application, but I'll use that, and also I'll take that this model. Okay, and simply as I done earlier for React and Angular, so I just simply use this prompt, and instead of React, so let me tell him, okay, web, oh, let me add the Blazor web assembly, right? So yeah, this is that simple prompt which I am giving. Okay, build a Blazor base web application, manage the room rental and including days and booking and all, right? It's simple. and simply hit enter and need to wait to complete. Okay, now see, they are understand my language, like whatever application I provide, and also they are just creating here a new application based on that command. So simply accept that. So now they have complete modification the couple of project. Now see, there's a project got created over here, and side by side whatever that component and cs file and razor file and all, everything is completed. They modify, edit it, right? And after that they asking to build. So say they are providing, okay, this is the build command, also is fine because this is a .NET command. So simply accept that, and it is just fail. See, if it is fail over here, but now they also trying to get some issue. So once you get some issue, definitely they will fix it itself. Okay, now they are fix some issues over here, this program.cs file and all, and then simply accept that. Finally I am able to see build succeed over here. So now they will run this application. So once they providing this command to run this application, simply I can run this, and now my application is running on this spot, right? So yeah, let me try to open it, and it is automatically open it. You can see over here now. Yeah, keep it, and also see how look like. See, also they are trying to open and see automatically whatever issue, and also see they're trying to do something over here, check in and all. So let me finish that. So yeah, they're trying to add some data, and then they are checking, okay, check out properly working or not. So let them to complete, and then we will start our testing. Okay, fine, then I think whatever they test, I can leave it so that we can start our testing. So now close that and go here. Okay, now see, they are trying to verification, and also whatever that verification actually they did one by one, and yeah, also they are done. Okay, when I close again they started. Okay, so let me finish them. Okay, finally see, it's got completed along with share the features, whatever key feature, whatever technology we are using over here, right? So everything is done, and so they are verified, like after running itself they are verify all the test cases over here. So yeah, let me run this if I want to see if it is running. Let me check. Yeah, it is running. So what I can do, I can check it over here. Let me refresh. Yeah, okay, it is not running. So what I can do, simply I can close that, and it is just giving that instruction, okay, how we can run it. So you can just copy this over here, go to the terminal, and if you want ask to run also, they are able to run it. But yeah, let me try to run it over here. So now it's running, and if I just copy this or open this URL in any browser, so now see, this is the nice dashboard over here. So see, this is the dashboard. This is the main screen actually, and it's just providing, okay, easy management, smart booking and real estate. And if you go to dashboard, once you click dashboard, now room management system, and yeah, it is so nice actually. It will look well, right? And let me check that functionality is working or not. So let me add a new room. So I'm gonna add like 122 102. I think 102 is available. Yeah, 102 available. So let me try to 105. Okay, and price would be 300, and save room. Now this new room will save, and also I want to book now. So let me book tenant name something Kumar, and day for 6 day, and confirm booking. So once you confirm, now see, this is that confirm, and 6 days left for the free use for this booking, and also it's booked. And if I want to check out, so let me try to check out this one. So once you check out, now it's check out, right? So now it is perfectly fine. It's just created our app whatever we want, so it is perfect. Now second step is integrate the database. Now it is using in memory, but we will integrate the database. So how we can do that? It's very simple. Again, go back to here, just accept everything over there, and in here we have to tell, okay, just integrate the database. So before integration the database, you have to just create your uh, project in Firebase, so that you can share your configuration over here, so that they can easily use those configuration and create only that project. If you don't want, so it can create us separately in a new, but yeah, that is good way to share this information. So now I just open my Firebase console. So this is the URL console Firebase login, and here I just credential, I'm using that Google credential, and simply I can create a new project over here. If you want, you can use the existing one, but I'll use that room, right, so that I can identify okay which project we are using. Okay, and simply if we want, just continue. Yeah, don't use the analytics and all, so simply create a project and wait to complete to create this project. Okay, it's got completed. Continue, and once you continue, that newly project got created, it is just redirect over here. So yeah, in here actually you need to two things. First, you just create an app, so that that app configuration you can use it in your application. So what kind of app you want to build on this project, so Firebase, so you can just over here. So I'll reserve now, I'm just using for BAP, so I choose this one, and in here I can also set okay this app I want to use for hosting as well, so I can just check it over here and make it the name, for example, and yeah, register this app over here. Yeah, once you register, now see, you are able to see that information. So simply you can just copy this one, right, and just further complete over here. Now see, they are the providing like how we can just deploy the apps, but yeah, as of now we don't need to do anything, but that we will do from my Google Antigravity, right? And now my one app got created over here, right? So this is first step. Second step, actually also you have to create your what do you say, database. So if you click on this build section, if you scroll down, so see, this is a Firebase database, Firestore database. So simply click on that, right? And in here you can just create a new database of Cloud Firestore. So click on that, use the same standard one. So next, and just whatever name if you want, so you can, it will take a default name, but yeah, let's just keep it. And yeah, whatever if you use the forward production, so you can use this one, and if you use the test mode, so you can use this one. So yeah, I'll use this one as a test mode, and simply I can just create. So once you create, now see, your database got created over here. So now this is the database, and yeah, we are good to here, but yeah, in further we need to just modification required in this rule section, so that we'll do in later. But yeah, as of now, let me go to my Antigravity over here, and I can just paste it my whatever con, uh, configuration we just created, right? So just I guess keep it over here and paste it, and then before over here we can instruct okay what they have to do that. So I just tell to here in this project, so implement Firebase database in this application using this configuration. That's it. Okay, nothing we have to do much over here. Simply hit enter. So now based on our instruction, so now they have just modify, also they just created few files, and then just modify existing one based on the database integration, and they just providing okay .NET build, so that they can ensure whatever modification they have done, so that is properly working or not. So simply accept, and yeah, it is build succeed. So just try to run it. So let me run it. So yeah, it actually already ran it over here, so that's why it just failed, right? But yeah, it is not stopping me to over here, right? So they are just trying to run this different port, so I can just run this here, so that they can ensure whatever they feature implement, that is working fine. Okay, again see, they just run itself over here to check the functionality is working or not. So first time there is a no booking, nothing over here, but they will try to add and then they will check it. So meanwhile we can check over here what they're trying to do. So yeah, it is running application, and yeah, clicked on that element, add new room, and then type in the browser. Yeah, let me check over here. See, perfect. Now see, automatically they are trying to test, add a new room, over here that is a $0, but yeah, there's a problem, I guess. Amount is 0. Why? That actually they have to figuring out. But yeah, meanwhile let me check the database, like it is got created or not. Now see, the data is got created, but yeah, price is 0. That is one issue, I guess. And yeah, that is one issue. So let fix them, and then we'll run this application. Okay, finally see, they just verified over here, everything is running. And yeah, it is also tested, whatever test cases over here they tested over here, see. And yeah, we are good. So simply accept all the changes and let me test in our site. So simply if I just refresh, so if I refresh, see, nothing happens. So what I'll do, simply I can close that, and also let me close this, right, and go back to Antigravity, and here I can just close and run it again. Okay, now it's running. Let me open it from start. Yeah, now it's properly running. So what I can do, I'll just check like the functionality wise is working or not. Now see, it is available one data, that is fine, but once you add a new, for example 101, and price would be 300, and save the room. So once you save the room, now see, it is properly saved along with this date, uh, you know what do you say, amount, right? So that we can verify in our database. Now see, this new database got created along with this price, and this is that room number, right? So this is perfect. And also if I want to book room, so book room something, my name is something Kumar, right, and the day would be 6, confirm booking. So once you confirm, now see, book is confirmed with this particular name, and also we can ensure that database is properly updated or not. Now see, tenant name is updated, what is the date, how many days for left, right, and booked is true. So everything is working fine. If I just check out, so once we check out, it should be check out along with this empty. Yeah, so that means everything is working fine along with the data integration. So now next step would be deploy this app, right, because we just create this app and then integrate this app with the database, and then finally we will deploy this app. So for deploy this app, simply again go back to your Antigravity IDE, and in here I can ask to deploy this. Okay, so what I will do, simply I can ask, okay, please hosting this app in the Firebase hosting using the same configuration, right? So whatever configuration I previously did it, so I'm not mention again. Simply I can just tell this and simply hit enter. So yeah, see over here, what would be the first command would be the Firebase tool need to install, so they have to install, so simply accept that. Now again I'm getting this same problem which we have see that previously while creating our other app. So yeah, definitely in a day limitation have fixed something, right? So if I cross that limit for this particular model, so there is the ability I can choose that another model, right? So as of now, see, this two model they have that yellow sign, that means I am exceed the limit for this ones. But yeah, for this and this also is available, so I can use this. So I'll just use clouds on it, and yeah, accept that. And we have to tell over here, sometime it will just continue, but yeah, it is not continue as of now. See, it is error. So yeah, please continue. I can set please to continue, so that they can understand, okay, there was some error previously, but now they have to continue. Okay, so now next command is over here, so they have to try to publish this application. So yeah, that is also fine, accept that. Now another command is over here, they are before actually host this app in our Firebase, so they have to make sure, okay, it is logged in or not. Okay, so that simply accept that, and yeah, it is already logged in, this user. So now they will proceed further. So yeah, they are providing this command also. See, yeah, I think that command should be okay. So they asking to actually we have to publish this, right? Yeah, that actually we have to publish. They asking to me to publish this command, but yeah, I think basically uh sometime they did that, but yeah, as of now they are not doing. But yeah, that is fine. But let me try this, and in here simply close that, and I can use this Firebase deployed and see what happened. Okay, deploying start. Awesome. Now I able to see I just received that, deployed hosting URL. Okay, so we simply I can just click on that and open it any browser, and let me ensure that is working fine or not. Yeah, so application got running on this hosting, Firebase hosting domain. And if I go to dashboard, so in the dashboard, yeah, previously whatever data is available in this particular database, it is over there. And if I just add one more, so let me add one more, for example 103 and something, this save room, and yeah, it is saved. And yeah, let me go to that database and ensure, yeah, this is the same database. Also got created this 103 along with 600. And if I want to uh, book now for Tom, like Tom will be stay 3 days, confirm that. And yeah, also confirm. If you go back, so immediately it is reflect to Tom with 3 days, right? So yeah, that means it is perfectly working fine along with the hosting. So now also I can ensure that is hosting actually properly or not. So if we go to the build section in this Firebase console, go to that hosting one. Yeah, so this is hosting one. And if you scroll down over here, see, this is my hosting URL, which is host your app over here. So that is perfect, right? Whatever we are trying to achieve using this Antigravity, Google Antigravity, like build app from that scratch, integrate the database, and also deploy it. So end to end actually follow, they have ability to complete that. So that is a nice feature actually, or nice no, development, agentic development platform they are recently launched. So I think that is pretty much good. But yeah, in upcoming session we will try to another technology. Like as of now we tried Angular, React, and then Blazor. But yeah, in upcoming session we'll try it more, and we will use also more functionality, like how we can more feature actually, the how we can integrate easily. So that's all for this session. Thank you, have a nice day, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share.